Hello mothers, this is my first video and I will show you how to build the kit from Revell SS-100 Wagon. Now I'm gluing engine to the chassis. Now I'm gluing something maybe to tires. Now I cut the plastic parts with sharp cutters. Now I cut from plastic sprue the footsteps. And I clean the mold with a very sharp knife. Now I everything glued to the chassis. Attach this if it's fit well. Now look at the rocket. Let's start with rocket assembling, and we have two plastic sprues with rocket. I got all parts to the rocket. Use for gluing extra thin glue from Tamil. Now I cleaning the mold lines on the rocket. Now I'm finally gluing all the rocket. Now I'm gluing the wings. Now I'm doing the Hanomag, maybe few things. And now I'm doing the fenders. I recommend you glue windows with extra thin glue or ordinary PVA. Now I'm mixing the color properly. If you ask, Mace, why you don't airbrush? The answer is very easy. I don't have airbrush. As you can see, we have a small interior. I glue the doors and now I try to fit the cabin to the chassis. I got another part to the Hanomag car. As you can see, I first time use Balti. I covered the whole metal with a grey primer. Here you can see as I mix Revell enamel colors with enamel thinner. Here you can see the paint model with little wash. Here is the Meilerwagen for the rocket. Now I start painting the rocket. I use for the masking ordinary tape because I don't have masking tape. And here is the finished model. In the next video will be something bigger. You can try guess what is it, but who knows? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.